Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of drones with a detailed look at the DJI Avata 3, a highly anticipated FPV drone that's been causing waves across the tech and aerial photography communities. With fresh leaks surfacing about its design overhaul, performance upgrades, and speculated release window, it's time to break down everything we know so far about DJI's next big move in the first-person view drone segment. As drone enthusiasts eagerly await official confirmation, numerous insider reports and early prototype leaks have offered tantalizing glimpses into what could be one of DJI's most innovative FPV drones yet. Building upon the success of its predecessor, the DJI Avata 2. The Avata 3 appears set to revolutionize the FPV experience with next-gen flight stability, improved imaging tech, and smarter obstacle detection features. DJI Avata 3 Design Leaks. A bold new look. Let's start with the design evolution. Leaked images and CAD renders suggest that DJI is working on a more compact and aerodynamic frame for the Avata 3. Rumors indicate that the drone will sport a refined, ducted propeller system, optimizing both efficiency and safety for indoor and outdoor flight. Expect lighter build materials, possibly carbon fiber reinforcements, that enhance flight time without sacrificing durability crucial for FPV stunts and tight spaces. The Avata 3 may also feature redesigned air vents, enhanced cooling mechanisms, and a more integrated camera system. The body might be sleeker, with folding or modular arms for better portability, perfect for content creators and travel drone enthusiasts. Upgraded camera system cinematic in the sky. Another major highlight is the rumored camera improvements. Leaks suggest the DJI Avata 3 will feature a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, potentially capable of 4K 120 FPS video recording and a wider dynamic range. This would be a massive upgrade for FPV pilots who want cinematic quality from an agile, fast-flying platform. The camera may also include Rocksteady 3.0 or 4.0 stabilization, ensuring ultra-smooth footage even during aggressive maneuvers. With DSIN-like color profiles, creators could have more flexibility in post-production, something that was slightly lacking in previous versions. The possibility of HDR video support is also being discussed within insider circles. Enhanced performance. And features performance-wise, the DJI Avata 3 is expected to pack significant upgrades under the hood. We're talking about longer battery life, possibly up to 30 minutes of flight time, which would be a game-changer for FPV drones. The motor system might see a refresh too, with more powerful thrust and faster acceleration, tailored for both freestyle flying and cinematic tracking shots. DJI is also expected to include OcuSync 4.0, enhancing the transmission range and stability, providing clearer 1080p live feeds at lower latency, even in challenging environments. And let's not forget about the possibility of improved obstacle avoidance using a multi-directional vision system, something that could set the Avata 3 apart from every other FPV drone on the market. Smart flight modes and advanced safety. Smart features are at the heart of every DJI drone, and the Avata 3 will be no exception. Leaks hint at improved return-to-home accuracy, better GPS locking, and more refined manual mode controls for seasoned pilots. It's also likely that intelligent flight modes such as Cine Smooth, Waypoint Flight, and even subject tracking will be integrated or significantly enhanced. Another exciting leak points toward gesture control support and potentially some form of AI-assisted navigation to allow safer flying even for FPV beginners. DJI Avata 3 release date and price expectations. Now for the million-dollar question. When is the DJI Avata 3 releasing? According to multiple reputable leakers in the drone community, DJI is aiming for a late Q3 to early Q4 2025 release window, possibly aligning with their usual product launch schedule in September or October. As for pricing, the DJI Avata 3 is expected to come in at around $1,199 to $1,299 USD for the base package. Bundles including the new DJI Goggles 3 and an updated DJI Motion 3 controller could bring the full package to around $1,699 USD, making it a premium but still relatively accessible option for FPV pros and passionate hobbyists. How it compares to the competition in a rapidly growing FPV market, the DJI Avata 3 will compete with offerings from Beta FPV, iFlight, and Gepark. But with DJI's refined software integration, better customer support, and overall user-friendly approach, it seems poised to dominate once again. Moreover, if these leaks hold true, the Avata 3 could bridge the gap between hardcore FPV drones and mainstream consumer drones, offering plug-and-play performance without compromising on pro-level control. Final thoughts. Thanks for watching to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. If you found this deep dive helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more FPV drone news, hands-on reviews, and buyer's guides. Let me know in the comments, are you planning to pick up the DJI Avata 3, or are you sticking with your Avata 2 or FPV drone build? Stay tuned, because we've got more upcoming content covering the DJI Mini 4 Pro, DJI Inspire 4, and the latest in-action cameras like the GoPro Hero 13 and DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Until next time, fly safe and fly smart.